This is a heavy duty continuous band sealing machine. On this band sealing machine we can pack different type of material like atta, chawal, tea bags, then fertilizer, chemicals, insecticides, anything ranging from say 10 kg, 20 kg, 25 kg up to 50 kg can be very easily packed on this type of very heavy duty continuous band sealing, having this slate conveyor with 1.5 HP motor and a vibrating machine which will carry this particular load up to 50 kg, which can be packed in a thick laminated pouch. We will show you the procedure. Kindly follow the same. This is the main control panel of the machine. We will show you how this machine has to be switched on step by step. First of all, you have to switch on the power switch, then the motor switch, so that motor will come into action, then the heater switch to get heaters heated up, and lastly the cooling switch for the cooling fan to get switched on. Okay, now this is showing you how to set the speed of the machine, which is a variable speed drive machine. So how to control the speed of the machine from 0 to say 2, 3, 4 meters per minute. See, this is how conveyor goes. This is the main control panel of nitrogen gas flushing device, wherein there are several components. We will show you step by step. This is on-off switch that has to be switched on to switch on this nitrogen gas flushing device. This is the dial, flow control dial. This is flow control valve. This you have to adjust it for controlling the flow, and that is the programmable timer. Depending upon the requirement, you can set, increase or decrease the timing. This is the head adjustable machine. We will show you how this head of the machine has to be adjusted depending upon the height of the pouch which is to be packed. Say you can see this is a 25 kg bag of tea which has to be packed on this machine. So depending upon the height of this bag, we will adjust the height of the machine. Now we will show you how this heavy duty thick laminated bag duly filled with tea is getting packed on the machine. We will first put this bag on the vibrator. Vibrator switch is turned on. Now it is getting vibrated, so tea will get stabilized. Now we will show you how sealing process goes on. Kindly follow this step. This is a nitrogen gas flushing device nozzle. That nozzle will be put in the mouth of the bag which is to be sealed, so that the nitrogen will get filled up in the bag. This we will show you how exactly the procedure goes on. Kindly follow this. This is the sealing head of the machine, which contains the heater jaw. In this heater jaw is getting heated up, and once this pouch of the machine, pouch of duly filled bag gets passed, it will be sealed through this heating jaw.